If you are wondering if there is a charger or power adapter included inside the box of Xiaomi 17T, then the answer is yes and no. It actually depends on where you live. So if you live, for example, in Europe, if you purchase this phone in Europe, then most likely you will not be able to find a power adapter inside the box. You won't be able to find it inside this paper box or inside the main box over here. You will just not be able to find it, and you can probably find graphic information at the back of the box which tells you if there is a power adapter included or not. This is of course the best way to find out if you need to purchase the power adapter separately or not, if you have to at all. But if you live in a country where power adapters, generally speaking, are still included, for example, in some of the Southeast Asian countries, the power adapters are still included, not only for Xiaomi smartphones, but in general, then in this case, in the case of Xiaomi 17T, you will also be able to find a power adapter. You can also check that information on Xiaomi's website. Usually Xiaomi has their own website made for specific countries, so if you are not entirely sure, you can just check out specs for Xiaomi 17T on Xiaomi's website, I mean the website that is made for your country, and then you can find the content of the box and you can check quickly if there is a charger or not. So once again, in some countries, yes, it is included. Xiaomi 17T does come with a power adapter, but in many countries it doesn't. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.